Hello everyone, my name is Amit Paul Ikka. Welcome to my life page, and today we are going to talk about the business development in energy sector. But before that, I would like to introduce myself. I have completed my electrical engineering from Delhi College of Engineering, which comes under Delhi University. After completing my engineering, I did my post graduation in MBA in power sector. After that, I started my career as an assistant manager in National Energy Trading Services Limited. This is also called as entrepreneurship. Over here, what we do, we try to start a new business. Business means you are going to create demand for your product into the market. Whatever product you have made, you have to sell it into the market. So, and then that product should also have a demand, means people should also buy your product. Then only the relation comes. Development means you have started from scratch. You have created a demand for your product, and slowly and steadily you are going to increase selling of this product to a vast community. That's the meaning of finance. Finance means the money or the funding from get to start a business. You can also get the money from the banks. You can go out there to the bank, you can ask for the loan and they will fund you. Second funding source is your government of India can fund you to different programs such as Make in India program or Startup India program. These are the programs which will provide you money. Thirdly, you can also ask for an investor. Investor means you can go to a third party. You can say put some money into my product, and what I will earn from the selling of that product, some portion of the profit I'm going to give it to you. That is called as investment. So these are the different aspects of the finance. Basic skill is communication skill, because you need to create a demand for a product. For that, you need to talk to many people, to your consumers regarding it. Hence, the communication skills is very important. For an example, if you want to sell a product in a country where everyone speaks in Spanish, so you need to promote that product in Spanish. Hence, the communication skills, writing and reading and talking. The positive aspect of business development is that you serve a society by making any services or making any product. It gives you satisfied that you are doing something good for the society, which is going to help the society to grow. This is one of the positive aspect which calms you down, which gives you peace. The main challenge is that you have to regularly update yourself regarding that sector. Let me talk about my own sector, that is electricity sector, energy sector. So I have to update myself continuously in this subject. What are the policies of the government? What are the regulations of the government? If I'm able to run my business or not? Is that policy is going to affect my product? These are the challenges which keeps on coming, and you need to abreast your knowledge each and every day what is happening around you. All the days are not same for a business developer, because sometimes you need to go to the any agreement or meeting, or sometimes you straight away go to your office. Generally, what I will say, you go to the office, you see your schedule, and you carry out your work accordingly. You look at your emails and you take some decisions. If you have some meeting, you went on for that. After finishing the meeting, some of the queries which is raised by your client, on that you need to work on. So hence the evening they pass by on resolving the queries of the consumer, the client. After that, you again schedule for the next day. So it's a very busy life from 9 to 9. I hope I have given you a balanced view on the business development. I would like to conclude with saying that I always had a dream to start my own business, and because I am a guy who love to take responsibility, create a product and to serve my society, this is a dream which I am fulfilling myself, but I am working on it. And I would say that whatever you want to do, just do it, because whatever you like to do, love to do, you should do that, because that brings peace and happiness to your heart. And when you feel peace and happiness from inside, that itself give peace and happiness to your family and to the society. So do whatever you like to do. Thank you.